Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make this ear warmer. I just love the look of these stitches together, and it's a very easy pattern with repetitive stitches, and it's easily adjustable to make any size that you want. You will start by foundation double crochet stitching. If you don't know how to foundation double crochet stitch, I have a video tutorial for this on my channel, and I will post a link to it below. If you prefer to traditional chain, what you will do is chain until you reach just over your desired length, and then you will double crochet stitch in the third chain from the hook, and then you will double crochet in each remaining stitch down, and then you will start the next row. So what I have here is I'm making an adult size, and I did 72 foundation double crochet stitches, and this reached about 18¼ inches. This has a good bit of stretch to it, so you don't want to chain until you get your exact length that you need. You want to come up a little shy of it, so that way it won't be too big. So once you finish your foundation double crochet stitches, you are going to slip stitch to the very first double crochet that you made. Make sure that you don't twist this chain as you turn it around to get to your first double crochet. So here's my first one, and I'm just going to slip stitch into that. And then chain 2. Now double crochet in the same stitch as your chain 2. Now you're going to front post double crochet in the next stitch. And you will back post double crochet in the next stitch. And then do a regular double crochet in the next stitch. And we'll just repeat this until we get to the end of this row. So let me show you that again. You're going to front post double crochet in the next stitch. You'll yarn over, find your next stitch, and you're going to go around the post of that stitch. Here's your post right here. So yarn over, find your next stitch, go around the post, then you'll grab yarn and you'll pull through and up. You want to get up to your normal height for a double crochet stitch, and then double crochet. The next one, we're going to back post double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go behind the stitch in front of that post, push it back and come out the other side, and then grab some yarn, pull through and up, and then double crochet. And then a regular double crochet in the next stitch. And double crochet. You can already start seeing the ridges. And now we'll front post double crochet again. If you're not familiar with front post double crochets or back post double crochet, I do have a more in-depth video tutorial, and I will post links below. That was a back post, and now you're going to do a regular double crochet. And this is pretty much the entire pattern. You're going to double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, and then just keep repeating until you get to the end of the row, and then you'll slip stitch to your first double crochet. So go ahead and keep repeating this and I will meet you back at the end of this row. I just made my last stitch in this round. And I should have pointed out earlier that when you slip stitch to that first double crochet, you do leave a gap right here in your foundation chain, but that's okay because once you get to the end, you can just sew those together. As you can see, we're starting to see more of the detail as we go. So now we're going to slip stitch to the first double crochet that we made. And just like before, we're going to chain 2 and double crochet in that same stitch as our chain 2. Now you'll just repeat the same thing you did last round. You'll front post double crochet, back post double crochet in the next stitch, and regular double crochet in the next stitch. Just remember the pattern as you go. You're going to do front post, back post, and then regular. And I'll just kind of say that to myself as I go until I get the hang of it. There was my back, and now here's my regular. And once you get a few rows in, you'll be able to really see which stitch you're on. So this pattern is super simple. You're just going to continue to repeat this, and you can make it as wide as you want or as narrow. For this adult sized one, I really wish that I would have made it wider. This is wide enough to cover my ears, but I just like the look when it's a little wider. This one is only 3 inches wide, and I think for an adult size, I would do 4 to 4.5, maybe even 5 inches, just depending on how wide you like yours. I think this width, the 3 inches, would be good for a child size, maybe even 2.5. So just continue alternating your regular double crochet, front post double crochet, and back post double crochet until you reach your desired width, and then you'll just fasten off and weave in your ends. And don't forget, when you get to this end, you'll just take your yarn tail and sew that together. I will have a blog post with the free crochet pattern for this ear warmer, and I will link to that below. Thank you so much for watching this video.